buckle in the front. Once you're outside the aircraft, then you inflate by pulling on the red tab or blowing to the tube at your shoulder. Double check, make sure seatbelts are fastened. Seat back and tray tables in the forward and lock position, and all your luggage is stowed completely underneath the seat or up in an overhead bin. The flight will be entirely non-smoking. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors in the aircraft lavatories. Smoking is never allowed anywhere on board, including electronic cigarettes. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. Just a reminder, there can be no standing, no lines forming in the forward part of the aircraft. If you would come to the forward lavatory, just come one at a time. To make sure that seatbelt sign is off before moving about, we do expect maybe a few bumps on our very quick flight to Baltimore. So again, do make sure you are buckled up. And we never anticipate a loss in cabin pressure should one occur. 4 oxygen masks would appear overhead. Immediately reach up, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. This activates the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Secure with the elastic band and breathe normally. The mask may be adjusted by pulling the strap on each side of the mask. And if you're traveling with children, remember to secure yourself first, then pull down a separate mask and assist the child. Continue wearing the mask until notified by uniformed crew member. As after the do's and don'ts of the quick hour flight over to Baltimore, Washington. I'm going to turn down the lights just a little bit, so if you need a reading light, it's directly overhead.